To use Google search on the Samsung Watch 9, first of all, you will have to open App Drawer and you have to go for the browser. If you don't have browser here, it means that you will have to download browser by using the Google Play Store. If you don't know, for example, how to download applications, you can even find dedicated video on my channel. But now we can finally open browser. By the way, make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you should find Google as a bookmark, or you can tap here at the top and input google.com website. Now when you are here, just wait for a loading screen. Now you will have to accept this cookies and term of the use, and now you can just start searching. HowToDevices. Let's go for the search. As you can see, I can find, for example, my YouTube channel over here. There we go. And my website. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks so much for watching and see you in my next tutorials.